English cherries. Absolutely phenomenal. They're only here to the end of August, so take full advantage of them. Reassuringly expensive, worth every penny. We're going to make the most amazing fresh cherry samosa.
Cast the sugar. Hot pan.
As the sugar starts to turn into caramel, add the cherries. Roll them round.
Lemon. Kirsch.
Goes brilliantly well with the cherries and the caramel. Whew, fucking hell.
Flambe.
And then just add a couple of tablespoons of water.
Lemon. Mint.
Leave them to cool down for 5 minutes, and then we'll wrap them in phyllo pastry. The most important thing about phyllo paste, never ever make it, always buy it. It's a very thin, stretch pastry, and perfect for a samosa. We're going to cut the phyllo in half. A nice, long, rectangle shape.
Clarified butter.
4 or 5 cherries in the corner, clotted cream, and sit it on top.
Fold.
A little brush, and just fold over and stick it down. Perfect.
Hot pan. Clarified butter.
In she goes. 35, 40 seconds each side. Out, onto the plate of sugar.
Roll.
A little touch of cherry compote on the plate.
Cherry samosas with clotted cream. Done.